Our Invoco Wallboard tool is a quick and easy way to get the user statistics you're after and takes 2 minutes to set up. To set up your wallboard, head to the Integrations page and select the Invoco Wallboard. Before you begin, it might be helpful to name each of your extensions. You can do this at the bottom of the page. Next, click Add Wallboard. Choose a name for the wallboard and assign the relevant team members. For example, a sales board will contain all of the members in that team. Click Save to finish. If you need to open, edit or delete any wallboard, you can do so by clicking into Action next to its name. All that's left to do is specify what settings you'd like to apply. You can opt in and out of monthly, weekly and daily reports by clicking the adjacent toggle, and you can also specify what email address we send each type of report to. You can create as many wallboards as you like. Wallboards run day to day, so they will reset at midnight. Now you can monitor and review the calls you and your team are making without the hassle, either with email reports or by opening the wallboard and seeing real-time results straight away.